They're at the post. Thereof. Clementis at the rail, and from the outside, Consecutive to take the lead onto the wire for the first time. Consecutive, Clementis. Inclusa comes on in third. Cry War Eagles to the outside of Inclusa. Then we have Itscale. Itscale's in behind horses in the early going, followed by Estella. And at the back of the pack is Negon's Princess. Consecutive leads for that opening quarter mile. It is reached in 25 and 1. Consecutive into the backstretch. On the inside, Clementis. On the outside, Inclusa. Inclusa just a length off the lead now. Back and forth is Cry War Eagle, who's clear of trouble, and just 2 lengths off the lead. Then we have Itscale between horses Estella, far outside for Clementis as they run up the backstretch, chasing Consecutive. Consecutive, 3/4 of a length. Inclusa in a perfect position, second with a half mile to run. That opening half mile was 50 and 1. Consecutive leads it to Inclusa. Cry War Eagle, poised to take on the leaders. Clementis down to the inside in that red cap. Then we have Itscale, and in between horses Estella, Negon's Princess to the far outside as they come to the quarter pole, and Cry War Eagle is making her move now. And here comes Cry War Eagle, soaring up on the outside to take the lead. And it's Cry War Eagle into the stretch. Consecutive trying to respond to that challenge, fighting on bravely at the rail. Then Inclusa, Clementis comes between horses far outside for Negon's Princess. But it is all Cry War Eagle. Cry War Eagle, a comfortable winner here in the fourth. Clementis on the inside second, Negon's Princess third. Consecutive was fourth.